guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. I am not going to make this intro long. I actually forgot to film it last night when I filmed the cleaning video. I just cleaned and I realized I never once said one word or did an intro. Also, very happy and excited to say that today's video is in collab with my good friend Amy that I met here on YouTube. You guys, you will love Amy's channel. Her house is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. She does everything that I do on my channel: DIYs, home decoration, clean with me's, lifestyle and motherhood content. And she only has, at this moment, 300 subscribers. Guys, she deserves way more subscribers. So do me a favor, when you're done with this video, pop on over and go give her a follow. Tonight's After Dark Clean With Me is brought to you by a ton of dinner dishes, but thank God there is not a ton of those little balls all over the floor. If you are new here and you have not seen any of my After Dark Clean With Me's, my daughters do have a ball pit and usually the balls are like everywhere, but tonight we do not have the balls out, so thank goodness. If you guys are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you stay and be a part of this family, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know when I upload. I upload currently every Monday and Wednesday morning, and with a bonus video most weeks sometime on the weekend. So I've been wanting to do this idea of doing a Q&A now that I have over 1,000 subscribers. I seen a video from Jessie Christine, formerly known as Keep Calm and Clean. On her channel, she did a thing where she did a Q&A, but she did it while answering, like she answered her questions, or everybody's questions, while a cleaning video was playing. So I thought that was kind of interesting because I love Q&As, but sometimes I get a little bored watching one person just sit still like talking about it. So I figured, would you guys like that idea if I did a Q&A but did it as a voiceover to my cleaning video? Comment down below and let me know if that's a good idea or not, and if you could please leave a question for the Q&A down in the comments, and I will try to film that sometime in the month of December. I was slightly confused in this clip because normally we start the dishwasher before we go to bed and then my husband unloads it in the morning before he goes to work. But my husband actually had the whole week off, so our routine was a little off, and I think we both just kind of forgot to unload it. Down below and let me know, what is one chore in your house that you dislike the most? Mine is definitely dishes. Don't know why, I just really despise dishes. Don't you worry about me if I keep feeling like I'm missing something. Don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about me. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me, keep us my husband's coffee station. He is really big into coffee. He roasts his own coffee. We have a roaster, and as you can see, he has a really nice espresso machine. So normally I don't clean this area. I clean it off once in a while, but I kind of just leave that up to him because this is literally his coffee bar. I don't really know how this thing works. I can make like your plain coffee, but that's about as far as I can go. If you can't tell, we go through a ton of eggs in this house. This normally lasts us probably about 2 weeks, but I always put them in this little plastic container and we put them in the fridge, and then we have an outdoor, like in the garage fridge, and that's where I put the rest of them. That way it's not taking up a ton of space in our fridge in our kitchen. You're probably thinking, Kristen, I thought you did the dishes already, but I literally have to take a break from doing dishes because I dislike it so much that I have to take a break, do something else, and come back to the rest of the dishes. This night I decided to sweep in here just because I didn't feel like getting the vacuum out. My daughter, the youngest one, Chloe, had already went down for bedtime, and I just didn't feel like vacuuming and possibly waking her since she had kind of been off of her routine the last few days, and she's getting 2 teeth in at the same time, and I just did not want to disturb her at all.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
I could not help myself. I have been seeing everybody use this dang O Cedar spin mop. So I went to Walmart when I went grocery shopping on Sunday and I bought one. I was so excited, and what really made me want to buy this mop is because Caitlin, I don't know why I can't think of her last name, but I will put her link to her channel down below. She did a cleaning video, and she normally doesn't do them too often, and when she did, she cleaned her baseboards with this mop. I was like blown away, and I was like, yes, you sold me. I'm getting the mop. Like, I am going to Walmart and I'm buying that mop because I hate getting down on my hands and knees and scrubbing my baseboards. This thing was definitely awesome for scrubbing your baseboards.
Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside.
Now that I've used the spin mop, I will have some things to say about it. It is great for baseboards, and I think it would be really awesome for cleaning around your toilet, like on the floor, because I have a steam mop and a crosswave, and those things actually cannot fit back there to clean those areas, so I always have to get down on my hands and knees to clean them. And that's pretty much what I'll probably mainly use this spin mop for, is those two things. But I mean, I'm not a fan of mops to begin with because it just, you know, sloshes stuff around, but it is great for those two things, and I totally think it's worth the $30. Well, there you guys have it, another After Dark clean with me. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you guys like these types of videos, and please go check out Amy's channel. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.